Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all good. So, students, now I am going to start the lesson numbers up to 9999 for the grade 3 mathematics. Before going to start the lesson, you need to sit along with your maths textbook and writing tools. Students, now we need to recall some topics from our earlier classes. So, now let us start the revision part. So, in that revision part, first main, write the number names 98, 113, 467, 788. So, you should write here number names by using spellings. 98, you should write 98 in spelling form. Then, second main, write the numbers 168, 433, 878, 955. You should write the numbers by using numbers. Then addition. One 167 plus 35. You should add these numbers. Next, subtraction. So 97 minus 49. So you should subtract these numbers. Then multiply 44 into 6. You should do here multiplication. Then next main, divide 63 divided by 3. You should do the division sums. Then G main, is it a line segment or array? You should observe these diagrams, first, second and third, and write their names. It be a line, or it is a line segment, or it is a array, like this. Then H main, what will come next? H main, what will come next? Draw or write it. So observe the first picture. So there are 4 triangles. So you should write the next picture, which is the next picture in the given underline. Okay. Then second one, 5, 8, 11, then dash and again dash. So you should analyze the number which should come next. Okay. Then I mean, write the fractions shown by the shaded parts. So here there are 3 squares. In that one square is shaded. So you should write the fraction form, fractions. So second one also seen, there are 4 boxes. There are 4 squares. In that one square is shaded. So you should that in the fraction. Then J, shade to show the given fractions. So observe the picture, observe the given number 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So you should shade the given fractions in the picture. So 1 by 3, in that 3 parts, there are 3 parts, you should shade only one part. Same thing, second one, 1 by 2, there are 2 parts. In that you should shade only one part, like this. Okay. Then K main, read the time, observe the clocks here. You should write the time in the given line. Next, convert into paise. So there are given, they had given here rupees form, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 4, 5 rupees, 7 rupees. So you should convert these rupees into paise. Then M, convert into rupees. They have given here 200 paise, 500 paise, 600 paise and 800 paise. You should convert these paise into rupees. Then N main, which units will you use to measure the following? So your height, first one, your height, what you have to measure, which unit you have to measure your height. So same thing, your weight, height of a tree, a glass of milk, a bucket of water, weight of your maths book. So you should write the units of these things. Then make a list of the things you need for your birthday party. So here list down the things which you need for your birthday parties. Then P, solve these word problems. Rani bought 25 green balloons, 38 red balloons and 42 yellow balloons. How many balloons did she buy? So here you should add these numbers, 25 plus 38 plus 42. Then we get total number of balloons. Then second one, a box had 135 color pencils. A teacher distributed 86 pencils in the class. How many pencils were left in the box? So here a box contained 135 color pencils. In that teacher distributed only 86 pencils. Then how many pencils were left in the box? You should subtract these numbers. 135 minus 86. Then there are 26 trees in a row. How many trees are there in 5 such rows? So there are 26 trees in a row. In a row there are 26 trees. So in 5 such rows, how many trees are there? So you should multiply these numbers, 26 into 5. Then fourth one, Mahesh pasted 5 stamps on one page of his stamp album. How many pages will he need to paste 85 stamps? So in this sum you should do division. So 85 divided by 5. Then we get the answer. So these are all revision part, students. So we already learned these things in our earlier classes. Then students, now let us start the lesson, numbers up to 9999. So students, let's start. So students, observe the pictures screen. So there are 10 boxes. There are 10 boxes. They called 10 ones. Those individual boxes are called ones. So there are, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are totally 10 boxes are there. So we should call them as 10 ones. Then observe the next picture, 110. So there are 10 boxes are joined together and form only 110. They are totally 10 boxes. They have to join each other. So that picture is called 110. So then observe next, there are 10 tens. So here 110 is there. So like that there are 10 tens. So all together form 100. So that is the box of 100. Then by using these concepts, answer the following questions. How many means there are 300 boxes. Yes. So next, there are how many boxes of tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 tens. And then how many boxes of ones there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So students, totally there are 3 boxes of hundreds, 9 boxes of tens and 4 boxes of ones. So the number is 3 hundreds, 94. Okay, then B mean use 3, 8 and 2 to make the smallest number and the greatest number. So using these numbers you should write the smallest number and the greatest number. The smallest number is 338. The greatest number is 832. Okay students, now let us move to the next part. 4-digit numbers. Okay, so observe the picture children. So there are how many boxes of hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are totally 9 boxes of hundreds, and then there are totally 9 boxes of tens, and there are 9 boxes of ones plus 1 box of 1. So totally how many digits are there? 999 plus 1. So here 999 plus 1 is equal to how much? Yes, 1000. So observe the next picture children. So 9 boxes of hundreds and 10 boxes of tens, and totally they all together form 10 boxes of hundreds. So 10 boxes of 100 means what? 1000. So last picture, observe the last picture. That box indicates 1000 value. That box indicates 1000 value. So one box is equal to 1000. So here 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. 1000 is a 4-digit number. It is the smallest 4-digit number. So next part is thousand on the abacus. So children, here abacus means what? What do you mean by abacus? Abacus is a tool for counting. So it is a tool, it is instrument to counting the numbers. So observe the picture. 10 hundreds. So in the place of 100 we have to write 10 beads. That is equal to 1000. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. So for 1000 we have to write 1 beads in 1000 place. So next picture, observe the next picture children. 999. So in the place of ones we have to write 9 beads. In the place of tens also we have to write 9 beads, and in the place of hundreds also we have to write 9 beads. Then plus 1, only 1 bead, that is equal to 1000. So 1000 means we have to write 1 circle, 1 bead in 1000 place, that is 1000. So then forming 4-digit numbers. Example 1. Which number is formed by the following blocks? So observe the picture and write the number children. So first picture, first 2 boxes are there. Those boxes are indicates 1000 values. Okay, then there are 4 boxes. Those picture indicates hundreds places. Then there are 7 boxes are there. Those boxes indicates tens place. Then 9 boxes are there. Those boxes indicates ones place. So totally 2000 plus 400s plus 7 tens plus 9 ones. So the number is 2479. So similarly, second example, which number is formed by the following blocks? So 1, 2, 3. There are 3000 boxes and only 100 box and only 1 tens box and 6 ones boxes. So totally we got 3100 16. Okay, then reading 4-digit numbers. Example, read 2461 and 3116 aloud. So you should read these numbers like this: 2461. Then second one, 3116. Four-digit numbers on the abacus. Next example, which number is formed by the beads on this abacus? So observe the picture, children. In the ones place there are no beads, so the ones place we have to write 0 in the ones place. Next, in tens place there are 3 beads, so in tens place we have to write 3. Then in hundreds place we got here 2 beads, so we should write 2 in the hundreds place. Next, in thousands place there are 5 beads, so we should write 5 in the thousands place. So the number is 5230. Then similarly, next example, which number is formed by the beads on this abacus? So observe the picture, children. So in the ones place there are 3 beads, so we should write 3 in the ones place. Then in tens place there is only 1 bead, so we should write 1 in tens place. Then in hundreds place there are 5 beads, so we should write 5 in hundreds place. Then there are 2 beads in thousands place, so we should write 2 in the thousand place. So the number is 2513. Okay students, hope you all enjoyed a lot. So it's time to end the class. Students, we will meet again in the next video. Thank you.